Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will going to explain you how to create calendar in Primavera P6, because when you are planning to create a project in your P6 you should have a calendar ready before setting up your project. So what you need to do is you need to just go to enterprise. From here just click on calendars, and when you click on calendars you see there are three types of calendars. One is global, other one is resource, and third one is projects. So the global calendars are the calendars which can be used across all the projects in your database, and the resource calendar are the calendar which can only use by a specific resource. For example, there is a resource who are working on 5 hours a week, and there is another one resource in the project who are working on 12 hours a week. So you can create a different calendar based on your resources. The third one is projects. So these are the calendar which can be used by the specific project only. So let's just create a calendar under your global type. So what do you need to do is you just select any of the calendar for your reference. So I'm just selecting this ABC 5 days a week calendar, and when I click on modify, so here see you can see there is a total work hours a day and there is a detailed work hours a day. So if you want to change it to 7 hours or 8 hours, so let's just change to 8 hours a day, and in your detailed work hours it is automatically gets changed. So what do you need to do is if you want like 11 to 12 as a non-work, so you can just select here and then click on non-work. But if you want 12 as a work, so you can click on work. Okay, so you can modify as you want to modify it, and then in the time periods also you can change it to like 8 hours a day, then 40 hours a week, and then we have 172 hours a month, and then somewhere around 2000 in a year. Okay, and you can also go and change the work week. So for example, Sunday Saturdays are all non-work, so it says non-work, and from Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday we have this all working time. If you want to set 17 from 17 to 17:30 as a work, so you can just click on work. Okay, so you can apply this way. Okay, then click. Now you want to also include holidays. So what you need to do is, for example, 5th of May is a holiday, so just click on 5th and then just set it as a non-work. So this way you can create a calendar, and also you can rename this calendar as a XYZ 5 days a week calendar. Okay, now click close. So this way you can create calendar. So in next video I will going to explain you how to create project in your Primavera P6. So if you are interested in that video, you can just go and subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications whenever I upload any new videos. Okay, for this time, bye.